Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply download and install the Best Buy application to start purchasing from your phone. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open Play Store or App Store depending on whatever phone or device you are on, and simply on the search bar, go ahead and search for it. Once you've done that, simply tap on this application, click on the Get button, and then verify yourself on iOS. On Android, you can simply just click on Install and it will start installing. So as you can see, it is almost downloaded and installed. It's maximum going to take 5 to 10 seconds of your time. So let's just wait for that. Once it is downloaded and installed, all you need to do is simply tap on open, and by just logging in or creating an account, you can start purchasing right from your phone. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.